Hello guys, so pursuant to the directive by the judiciary that as from 1st July, everyone will be filing um, their court documents via the e-filing system, I sought to um, find out how that e-filing system works. And I'm glad that it's as easy as ABCD. So I want just to take you through briefly how you'll be able to file your documents in court. We'll be able to create a dummy case and see how that goes. All right. So you'll sign up here. Sign up as a law firm here. If you're an organization, you sign up as an organization. If you're an individual, you sign up as an individual, and you follow the procedure of sign up. So, but for the purposes of this video, I'd already signed up. So I just want to show you real quick how we can get to file a matter. So once you log in, this is the interface that will be shown. There's home, there's parties, there's cases, there's calendar. There's all these things that we'll go through bit by bit in other subsequent videos. But for today, I thought I should inspire some hope and show you how you'll get the real job done, and that is simply filing your matter. So there is file new matter right there. You click on that. Assuming we are filing in the commercial court, and of course you'll choose the division, that's Milimani division. You'll choose that. I think they should add more here because of divorce matters etc, but anyway, that's a story for another day. And then commercial suits, then hit proceed. Of course there'll be step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 4. We will go to as far as the system will possibly allow us. I'm sure that will be up to the point of payment so that you can see the entire thing. All right, so let's start by adding parties. So I will add parties here. So let's say our case is what? Chief Justice David Maraga versus His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta. So we'll just add the case parties here. So I'll just choose individual. The parties is individual. So this is the first plaintiff. The case type is, party type is a plaintiff. The full name is Chief Justice David Maraga. Of course, the gender is male, and the nationality is Kenyan, of course. All right, and then we can assume we have the details, but these are dummy numbers. You can say if justice at email.com. These are dummy data, so you can put in the right there, and then you save the case. So as you can see, you've saved the first party to the case as Chief Justice David Maraga. And since you've seen how that process goes, I would want to pause this video and add the other parties, and then we'll proceed so that I don't take you through the same monotonous procedure. All right. Hey, so as I said, I had to pause that so that I could add them manually and not waste your time watching me doing the same Indian stuff. So as you can see, we have the first plaintiff, Chief Justice, second, the judiciary, the first defendant, His Excellency Uhuru, the second, the Executive of Kenya, first interested party, Law Society of Kenya, the third defendant, the Attorney General. I'm sure you already guessed what sort of case this is, but I just want to show you how the addition has. So the addition allows you to tag the parties as a plaintiff, complainant, defendant, claimant, interested party, applicant, and they should add here a respondent. And these are some of the things that once we start using this system, we'll be able to pick it up and issue the judiciary with our feedback, so that this system works for us, because it's pretty easy to use. So now once you have the parties, Then you proceed to the next level, and the next level is the second step. Now the case details, the brief details. So we'll go to, you click next right there, and you're in step 2. In step 2, you give the case details here. So like the citation of the case in step 2 will be, you will type it there. So I've just typed it, Chief Justice and another versus HE, the President and 2 others. The value of the case, of course, this is a different case. This is the route that we've taken for this matter is a commercial case. So we'll just put in a value here being 20 million. Is it 20 million or 2 million? 2 million whatsoever. And then you give a case summary of what the case is all about. And then you move to the next step. So you see already you're constructing your file, you're constructing your physical file, which I think this will be a lot efficient for us as a legal practice. The next step is the case fees assessment. So you might want to add documents there. Who has filed it? So either party, but the person who's initiating it will be the one filing, and then the other party will respond. So the document type, say it's a plaint. Of course, it's a petition for prayers, but for our purposes, say it's a plaint. You see, all these documents have been commoditized, so there's a price to it. So if it's a divorce, you can see right there what's happening. All these have been commoditized. So you choose. Let's choose what, because either way we're not going to upload a real document. So let's choose anything. So we can choose a notice of motion application and then title it application for court declaration, something like that. And then you proceed to upload. The essence is to show you the uploading. All right, you can add as many documents as possible. So say you can add one more document. Say, what do you want? What do you want to add? You can add. You can add what? You can add submissions. Put in your submissions there. Submission on application dated 25th June 2020. You tag it like that. It's just dummy data, so just bear with me. So and let's add one more document, say a plaint. Alternatively, you can just type there. So it's a liquidated plaint. This is plaint, liquidated plaint on the issues. 20,000, you put in the value there. Number of prayers you're seeking, say you're seeking for 5 prayers. Number of orders, you're seeking for 5 orders. It already calculates for you the ad valorem value, right? So you can see here what you're going to pay. It's a level of transparency never seen before. All right, so you can see what you're going to pay. So let's just click next. And next is now uploading the documents. So we'll just upload the documents there. You choose from the file, application for court declaration. So for me, I'm gonna choose any PDF file, but of course you need to upload a PDF document. So I'll just do that. Proceed to upload it. I'll also upload these others. What's not happening? You choose any PDF document and upload. At this point, I'll pause so that I just upload them, and then we proceed. So as you can see, I've uploaded them. Here are the files. For it to have delete, that means it's uploaded, and it has also told me my court assessment, my automated court assessment. So I'll just proceed to next. So in the next section, you validate the information. So you're saying the date that it's been uploaded is this. The title, Chief Justice versus HE. The case summary, this is a matter, blah, 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 blah. The parties in question are as follows. This will be the parties, first defendant, second defendant, interested parties, and the document uploaded are right there. I'm sure this is a link for you to view the document. All right. It might not be active right now. I tried it yesterday, but let's see if it's working now. So the link wasn't working, but these links, but I think ultimately they will show you the uploaded document. Now, once you have this, you just submit. Are you sure you want to submit? Tells you, you say yes, okay. So now you've submitted the case. This is the case that you just submitted right there. You can view it. Gives you the details, Chief Justice, tracking number, case number. So you see what this means is you'll be able to file your stuff from wherever you are. The congestion at the registry will be done away with. The facilitation that you constantly have to do at the registry is a thing of the past. You traveling to Milimani to just do filing is a thing of the past. Expenses associated with personnel is a thing of the past. This thing is just revolutionary, and it's going to change the practice in a big way. The bottom line is going to be improved because of all those expenses have been done away with. You know, so I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. So now you have it right here. Case parties, you have them right there. The case summary, as you could see, the case parties there, case activities there. Nothing has moved, but this will tell you when a session was handled. So after every session, the judiciary staff will be uploading here and tell you the activity date, which room, if it was in courtroom 5, what action was taken, what were the orders, what are the outcomes. You see, so everything will be available here. The pending documents are here. So these are the pending documents that you uploaded on this date. 3 of them. So remember, as the case progresses, you'll be making more documents and uploading. So it will be giving you the submitted documents and the pending documents. So these are pending because they've not been paid for. But I'm assuming once they're paid for, they'll go to submitted documents. You'll also be able to see your case fees, how much you've paid. This is the invoice. I'm sure when you pay, it tells you that it's paid for. You might also want to try and pay and see if this is now KCB. It will show you your transactions. So let's just try and pay and see how this thing goes. So you click on pay. Look, tells you for this case number, you pay via KCB M-Pesa, you pay via KCB Bank. It's up to you to choose. If you choose KCB Bank, go to KCB Bank teller, to KCB Mtaani, present the reference number that, and you pay this amount of money. If you're paying via M-Pesa, you just proceed to M-Pesa menu, Lipa na M-Pesa, and select pay bill number that. You enter account number that, and amount number that, enter your PIN and send. I'm sure they should also incorporate here the M-Pesa API, where it just gives you a pop-up of 71 075, and then you put in your PIN and you proceed. So look, ladies and gentlemen, this is revolutionary. We don't have to get scared about technology when all it does is make our work simpler, when all it does is increase our bottom line and make the legal practice a lot more enjoyable and a lot more fun. What this will mean is everything that happens with regards to documentation is centralized. So all we have to do now is present ourselves in court with our witnesses and now focus on dispensing legal services, not being caught up in mundane issues. So that's it from me. I'm Wakili Kitty. I'm a tech enthusiast and legal tech innovator with a startup called Patify Legal Practice Management. It's what sponsored this. And I'm very happy for the judiciary. I'm very happy for the legal profession. I hope this works. Thanks and cheers.